Let me ask you something. You have probably cooked dozens, maybe even hundreds of recipes. But if you compare your cooking today with a year ago, how much better have you really become? If the answer is not as much as I hoped, you're not alone. In this video, I will explain why so many passionate cooks feel stuck even after years in the kitchen. I see this all the time. Home cooks save endless recipes on Instagram. Every week they try something new. Pasta, sushi, steak, dessert. One week it's risotto, the next week it's fine dining dessert, then maybe steak tartare. But if you look closely, the same mistakes repeat every time. Watery sauces, oversized portions, textures that don't match, plating that feels random. And after years of cooking, their food still looks and tastes almost the same. It's frustrating. They think, I just need more practice. But practice without direction doesn't lead to growth. It just makes you better at following steps, not at understanding food. That's why so many passionate cooks stay stuck even though they spend hours in the kitchen. Think about the gym. One person goes in without any plan. One day push-ups, next day treadmill, sometimes nothing at all. He feels tired after, so he believes he worked hard. But after a year, he loses the same. Another person follows a structured program with clear progression, proper technique, and feedback from the coach. Every rep, every exercise has a reason. After a year, they look completely different. Cooking works exactly the same. Random recipes are like random workouts. They keep you busy, but they don't build a real progress. A system turns each dish into the training. One recipe builds sauces, another builds textures, another teaches contrast. Step by step, you actually grow as a cook. And here is the truth. It's not about talent. It's not about cooking more recipes. It's about having a plan. Chefs don't become good chefs by memorizing hundreds of recipes. They train techniques, fundamentals, and principles that applies everywhere. And when you start thinking like this, you stop asking, how many dishes have I made? Instead, you start asking, what skills did I just improve? That's the difference between cooking and training. I will give you a story from my own journey. I'm sharing a lot of tutorials on social media, and sometimes people would send me what they cooked after watching my videos. And on one hand, I told them, good job, because they put effort into it. But honestly, in my mind, I often thought, how is this even possible that I show them everything clearly in the video and the result is still very bad? I remember one dish in particular. The person has followed my step exactly, but the textures were off. The sauces was thin. The garnish didn't match. That's when it hits me. Tutorials alone don't create transformation. What was missing was structure and feedback. When I started teaching people personally, with structured training and personalized feedback, everything changed. Suddenly, the same people who struggled with tutorials start producing dishes that actually looks and taste professional. Not because they got more recipes, but because they finally had a system. So if you have been cooking for years, but still feel stuck, it's probably not your fault. You just never had the right system. So if you want to finally change that, and you like my style, and would you like to work with me personally, you can apply for my training on my website. We will look at where you are now, where you want to go, and I will show you how we can get there together. Because just like in the fitness, once you stop training randomly and start following a plan, your results will surprise you. That's all for today, and I see you next time.